Good evening, Fox family. Today what we're going to do is we're going to make our own at-home bowling alley. Since we can't go to a bowling alley, and bowling's fun in itself, what we're going to do is we're going to make our own. What I did was I took just water bottles here, filled them up with water. I put some food dye in there too just to give it some color. Taped up the top, put them on down here, put them into a pyramid. In bowling, you get 2 chances to knock down all 10 pins, okay? Now, I'm just gonna scoot on back. Gonna give it a roll. First roll. Oh, I only got 2. So now I get a second chance to try to knock down the rest of the pins. Let's move these out of the way since they're already down. And we'll get our second chance here. And let's see if we can get them. Well, this works really well with 2 liters as well. Hope you can make these. Have some fun with them. Have a good one.